Every time I'm always fond of smiling. Smiling is already my own way. It's just part of me. Even when things are not going fine, I have that spirit that all will be well. That is just it. So I believe that all will be well. You get what it bring me come here. Some people don't advise me, say, babe, madam, auntie, sister, not talk again for now. May you just relax. But as I dey go news, my mind, they do me one kind. One person don dey tell me, say, make I not carry Nigeria matter for head. Guy, if I say we don't carry Nigeria matter for head, guy, they will not end SARS. Things for not the, as in, like this now, many things don't do, as in, many things don't they unfold. And make it the unfold, they go like that. Now we call the no say, our president, not be president for all. That is if he dey alive for. Because as for me, I don't know whether the guy dey alive. I don't know that Buhari, whether he dey alive. But if Buhari dey alive, now president for North. The guy don't first do military ruling. You understand before because he come back. Our Kurukere leaders come do mago, come put them there 2015. Now the guy don't show the real person where he be. Buhari don't let us know say if he dey alive, in na for Northerners. If I dey run my matter like this, many things go dey my brain and dey yarn, but I just dey like to dey control. Make I just talk only this one. We say dey here so. Wetin come bring me come here now be say na DJ Switch matter. DJ wait first. Who be this Igbokwe? As in, so you don't want to dey pay me. Be say our Igbos, sometimes our Igbos, some of our Igbos, they like me that they use them as a frontliners. Who be Igbokwe? Igbokwe na, see, how years the guy will be Delta Igbo. And even if he be Delta Igbo, na bridge, Onitsha bridge, na it divide us. Na it divide una from Anambra State. Igbokwe, come now, they tell DJ Switch, say anywhere she dey, say she will see come back to Nigeria, come meet us. Say for she to lie against Lagos State government. Lagos State government say na the 9 carry soldiers. May they come kill peaceful protesters for Lekki gates. Say for that reason, because if you black say the guy they swear, that kind of papa, this kind of papa, I'm gonna look the man way. You can't they swear for your picking age. When he be saying, if you follow lineage, now if you follow lineage, say more check this man history, more check this man generation. We go see somebody who say come out, come protest for NSAS. We will see somebody say come out, say come protest for how Nigeria will take better. Oga Igbokwe, you be father, you be old man. Like this now you go don't get grandchildren. You go to open your mouth. They tell that girl say she go definitely come Nigeria, come meet us. Say she will come back to Nigeria. You don't know say na threat be that. Okay, now you don't dey threaten the poor girl life now. Abi because of the girl, no that girl now get power to do video. Oga Igbokwe, I pity for your generation. I pity for you. Because you know why? As old as you are, your sense is inside your nyash. Your sense is inside your nyash. Okay, make I even answer this question. You want make them talk say the killings when it take place for Lekki toll gates. Now Lagos State it happen. Governor Sanwo-Olu go visit them for hospital. Dead body we not see. Army carry. The matter happen for Lagos State. Lagos State get barracks. Army barracks dey Lagos. So you want make we now come dey fear una. Come talk say the thing happen for Imo State. Or it happen for Edo State. Or it happen for Ogun State. Oga, I bet choose the state where they shooting for take place. Since you say you dey open your mouth. Your mouth if you say you don't even know where DJ Switch they start life. Your mouth if you say you don't even know where DJ Switch they go school. Your mouth if you say you don't even know where DJ Switch they do her music career. Your mouth if you say you don't even know where she do her DJ career. You can't open your mouth. Your mouth. Come they talk say you they wait for she will still come back to Nigeria. Oga, you need a shame. Shame on you, Oga. I shame for your children. I shame for you. You understand me? I shame for you as a father, as an old man like you. They open your mouth, they threaten that girl. See, now you talk am, and your head now you go land put. You dey hear me so? Okay, no. Oga abeg tell us which states now they for shoot protesters. Abeg make you help us mention the states so that we go to call that state from now henceforth. So we're not going to call Lagos State again. Imagine something happen inside Lagos State. You dey talk now say DJ Switch. They call Lagos government. Oga abeg where the army they take come? If you tell us now say as in if you even deny am, if they try to manipulate the issue, may they say not be Lagos State governor, as in not be Lagos State government. Nine day as in okay, not be Lagos State government or maybe not be Lagos army. Now even go shoot those people for Lekki toll gate. Oga abeg, which road they take pass enter Lagos State? Which road now they pass to enter Lagos State? Now me say they tell us now say Lagos is insecure. Lagos is insecure. Lagos is not secured for army to enter into Lagos State. Come go Lekki gates, Lekki toll gates, come shoot protesters, peaceful protesters that shoot to who they protest for the betterment of their country. Come shoot them. Then now you they tell us now say DJ Switch they lie against Lagos State government. Oga abeg help us mention the new states. So when we talk about that Lekki toll gate, we go to call the states. They put the toll gates. Mumu man now you be mumu papa. I shame for you and I shame for your children. You be mumu man. They open your mouth because you say Igbo and you know the state you for come. See Igbo, any state this man take come. Make una deny him. You not come from Imo. You not come from. I said I don't know what Imo than Anambra than anywhere come from east. This guy don't deserve to enter back to our state, to that particular state he come at. Wanna block this guy for road. Make he go back to Lagos. Make him stay for Lagos. Mumu man like you. Mumu man like you be.